Dress codes unveiled, semi-formal versus formal.
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of dress codes, specifically comparing semi-formal and formal dress codes. These are common terms you'll come across in event invitations, and understanding their nuances will help you feel confident in dressing appropriately for any occasion.
What is a formal dress code?
A formal dress code, also known as black tie, is the highest standard of dress and typically reserved for events such as galas, formal weddings, and upscale parties. For men, it usually means a tuxedo complete with a black bow tie, patent leather shoes, and often a vest or cummerbund. For women, it generally means a full-length evening gown or dressy cocktail dress.
What is a semi-formal dress code?
Now, let's move on to the semi-formal dress code. A semi-formal dress code, also known as cocktail attire, is a step down from formal but still requires a high degree of polish. For men, this could mean a dark business suit, a dress shirt, and a conservative tie. Dress shoes are a must. Women have more flexibility but typically should wear a knee-length cocktail dress, a skirt and blouse ensemble, or a dressy pantsuit.
What are the key differences?
The key difference between the two lies in the level of formality. Formal attire is the most formal, typically for nighttime events, and requires a tuxedo or a full-length evening gown. Semi-formal attire is less formal, appropriate for day or evening events, and includes a business suit or a knee-length cocktail dress. Essentially, semi-formal attire is more versatile, while formal attire is more rigid and traditionally elegant. So, there you have it. Understanding the difference between semi-formal and formal dress codes can save you a lot of time and confusion while preparing for your next event. Remember, when in doubt, it's better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed. Dress to impress, and you'll shine at any event, whether it's semi-formal or formal. Until next time, happy dressing!